This is BBC1, please stand by. He's back, it's Car Valet once again. This time he has returned to chase people again. You must hide and close curtains and make your home shelter. If Car Valet spots you, you must accept your fate. He runs very quick and normal people don't. Remember, stay strong, stay. Oh crap, shit, I thought I locked the door. Wait, is that a bomb? Stop running away and untie me, you son of a bitch.
No, no, and no.
Well, Car Valet went back to the video game for good and better this time. Now normal programming sold. Now resume.